Do you know why it is called Pink City? It is because in 1876 the city was painted with pink color in grand welcome of the Prince of Wales Edward VII. When you visit the city, you will see most of the monuments and the whole old city is painted pink. It is the capital of India's Rajasthan state and it is the largest city of Rajasthan state. Jaipur is India's first planned city. Wow, that's amazing. Don't you think it's kind of amazing thing? It was founded in 1727 by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. He was a great scholar and an astrologer. Maybe that's why the city is rich in heritage, culture, and architecture. It is not only a tourist place, it is a place to enjoy, wander, and learn. You can visit Jaipur anytime, but the best time to visit is between October and March. April and June, very hot. July and September is a monsoon season. So now let's discuss about transport objects. Jaipur is located 216 kilometers, around 162 miles south to New Delhi. Jaipur forms a part of the Golden Triangle tourist circuit along with Agra, that's 240 kilometers, around 149 miles. Jaipur city has a good system of transport. Air connectivity is through Jaipur International Airport. It's around 13 kilometers from the city. The airport operates regular domestic flights to all major Indian cities and connectivity to all international domestic is available via Delhi or Mumbai. The city's Jaipur railway station is well connected to all major cities of India. The city is located on National Highway number 8, connecting to New Delhi and Mumbai. The National Highway 11 passes through the city. It connects to Agra, city of Taj Mahal. So you may hire a taxi, enjoy Jaipur, and then it's a national highway to Agra. To travel around the city, you may hire taxi, cab. For a short distance, you can hire cycle, rickshaws, or three-wheelers. They're mostly available here, so you can hire them. Even you can get a city bus, but sometimes it's very crowded, so metro also available here. Whichever transport option suits you, you choose. Always settle on the fare before getting in. So now let's discuss about the places to visit in Jaipur. There are so many places to visit in Jaipur, but firstly I'm gonna tell you the most important places to visit in Jaipur. You need at least 3-4 days to visit all the monuments in the city. We will tell you the best places to visit. So let's start with Amer Fort. Here you get an exposure to the glory and wealth of ancient Amer kingdom. This is the most impressive and popular place to visit in Jaipur. It is situated 11 kilometers away from the city in Jaipur Delhi highway. It's one of the World Heritage Sites. City Place. The king of Jaipur used to live here. Still royal family lives here. It is situated in the heart of the city. Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a 5-story pyramidal shaped monument with 953 windows. Hawa Mahal means place of winds. It is situated just near the city place. Jantar Mantar, it's a beautiful place to visit. It's an open-air astronomical observatory established in early 18th century. It is situated near Hawa Mahal in City Place. So now, when we have done with Jantar Mantar, our next destination is Jal Mahal. It is very close to the city on the way to Amer Fort. It is called Jal means water, Jal Mahal. Mahal means place because it is situated in the middle of the Mansagar lake. So when you go there, you can see Mansagar lake also. Albert Hall. It is a museum founded in late 19th century by Prince of Wales Albert Edward VII. It is situated just outside the walled city. Nahargarh Fort. It is fort located on the hills of the Aravalli range and it's around 5 kilometers steep climb and away from the city. Jagar Fort, also located on Aravalli Range, it is around 2 kilometers from Amer Fort and interconnected by an underground tunnel. Here you can see the world's largest cannon on wheels. Next is Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir is a temple located on the downhill of Moti Dongri mountain on Jailand Marg. Galtaji Temple. Galtaji Temple is a famous pilgrim place of Hindus. Is situated 10 kilometers away in the east of city. So, if we take a walking city tour, so we have to take a 3-4 to 4. It will take 3 to 4 hours, and we have to walk around 5-6 kilometers. So, if you wanna go on a walking tour to the city, you will have to manage for 3 to 4 hours. Now, when we are visiting city, we should first talk about whenever people go somewhere, we just notice the things that what kind of food we can have there. Shopping and food are the most wanted things by everyone. So now we can discuss about them. Dal bati and churma is a famous Rajasthan dish. So if you are here, don't miss dal bati and churma. In the city, all kind of national and international food courts are present. As I told you earlier, you need 3-4 days to visit Jaipur. But if you are here for a short trip or on a business trip, then don't miss Hawa Mahal, City Place and Amer Fort. The main language of Jaipur is Hindi and Rajasthani, but English is also spoken in the city. Kathak and Ghumar are popular folk dance styles. Jaipur has 4 major festivals, namely Gangaur, Elephant Festival, Tej, and my favorite, Kite Festivals. Jaipur is a major hub for art and crafts. Many traditional shops selling jewelry, gems, handicrafts, poetry, textiles, and many more products. Among of them, jewelry and handicrafts are very famous, so bring some if you are interested. Things to consider are, in the most of the monuments, entry fees different for Indians and foreigners. So you must have to know about the fee and about the charges over there. Sometimes some people request you to buy something which you don't want to buy. If you don't want to buy, just avoid them. Be careful while crossing the road. Keep safe all your valuable things. Always wear looser or baggy clothes because we can't say about Rajasthan's temperature. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you can get a very high temperature. So friends, this is all about Jaipur from my side. To know more about all these exciting places, please check our next video. If you have any concern or suggestion, please let us know. If you think this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe our video. And thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Till then, watch it and just comment on it. Thank you.